There was no visit to Lake Placid in 2016, and there was no video footage of my first visit in 2017.
After spending hours riding a bus to get here to Lake Placid, here is the room. And on my side, you see the bed. And it's late at night. Room 42. Lake Placid, New York. In here, got a closet. You can hear the laundry room in there. Put all that stuff. Some more stuff, and that is a bathroom. A kitchen. A big one, much bigger than the one I have at home. Dining room with fancy lamp fixtures over here as well. It's TV, don't mind that, and the fireplace. Before I go up, we got another. Oh, that's nothing. Furnace. Stairs. A nice view up here. Painting, all that stuff. Yeah, better view from up here. Another bathroom. Bedroom. And another bedroom. And a couch along with another TV. Another lamp. Finished the tour out here. It's dark. That's because it's nighttime.